Let's talk about conservatorships. The background color of all these slides is red for a reason, meaning red alert or caution. A conservatorship is sometimes called a living probate because the person who is the subject of the court proceeding is alive. There's two types of conservatorships. One is a conservator over the person, where a person is unable to make decisions or care for himself, and a conservator over the estate, where a person is unable to make financial decisions. A conservatorship is a public court process where there's been a petition filed in the court asserting that someone needs assistance in the appointment of a conservator. The key question before the court is, should the court take away your rights over your own assets and finances, or take away your rights regarding decisions on your own person? So it's a very serious proceeding. A conservatorship has the court totally in control. As we said, there's a petition. Once the petition's been filed, the court will appoint a court investigator who goes on out and makes an investigation talking to the proposed conservator and conservatee and renders a report back to the court. The judge will look at that report and the petition and determine whether a conservatorship is required, and if so, who to appoint as the conservator. Once a conservator has been appointed, they are legally obligated to inventory all the assets that they have control over and to make accountings to the court every 2 years. And these accountings have to be in court form, and the court will look at those accountings. If they're not in proper form, they'll tell you to come back. And if it's not an accounting that balances, they'll tell you to come back till you get it right. A conservatorship can be very time-consuming because at the beginning you have all this petitioning and investigation going on, and the conservatorship will generally last until the person passes away. So this can be a short period of time, or it can be a very long period of time. We started a conservatorship for a person 25 years old, and it's still going on today. A conservatorship then can be aggravating and expensive. We have the investigator's fees, we have filing fees, we have attorney's fees, we may have accounting fees. So with all of that news, there is good news because a conservatorship is actually avoidable. If you don't want the court in your life and a judge to oversee and control your assets or yourself, then all we need to do is some proper planning. The way to start would be with durable powers of attorney over assets, where you privately appoint a person to make financial decisions for yourself, and a durable power of attorney for health care, which is also known as an advanced health care directive, where you appoint someone to make medical decisions for you pursuant to your direction. In regards to these documents, we strongly recommend that they are professionally drafted so that there are special provisions that you want to see in these documents that you're not going to find in standard forms. We want you to have the best. Another document that you should have is the HIPAA authorization, where you authorize the release of medical information to various family members or close friends. To get a quick overview of durable powers of attorney, we invite you to view the video on durable powers of attorney, which can be found under Services and then Durable Powers of Attorney.